10 for 10 is a new package that we've introduced at V. It stands for 10 mils of filler for 10 out of 10 results. The whole idea of this new treatment package is that we provide a full facial transformation that is completely individualized to each client. So we'll have a look at your overall facial proportions and aesthetics, any volume loss that has occurred over your face, and we will target those specific areas to give you a rejuvenated and renewed look. As we age, the face changes, and this is due to a number of factors. So that's at the level of the bones, which resorb, so they shrink, and also the level of the deep and the superficial fat pads, which also become thinner and separate. And this leads to hollows, loss of volume and loss of structure in all areas of the face. So common areas that we would treat in the 10 for 10 treatment would be the temples, which become hollow and cause drooping in the lower face. Also in the nose to point the tip up, because as we age it can become droopier due to bone loss. Also loss of structure around the jawline and the chin, which can cause jowling. So we replace that with the use of a cannula along the jaw and add some volume and projection to the chin to give back that youthful structure to the face. Of course, it's individualized to each patient, so everyone might have a slightly different area that needs more support or less support, but generally those are the areas. So the jawline, chin, cheeks, nose and temples, as well as things like the tear trough and nasolabial and marionettes, which can also be affected and respond well to treatment. This treatment is ideal for you if you've noticed several of these signs of aging and you want a cohesive, dramatic result that works well together. So for example, having some filler in the cheeks will really complement well the structure and definition added to the lower face to create an overall aesthetically pleasing look. Some people might wonder if this treatment will puff them up too much. It really comes down to assessing the face of the patient, making sure they're suitable for this treatment, and then treating them in the right places with the right amount of filler. That's why it's important to go to someone who has, clinical experience and training, who can assess you properly in order to create a look that is natural, harmonious, and youthful rather than overfilled. Because the treatment is being given as a package, the overall price for all the mils of filler put together is about half of what it would be given as individual treatments. So it's quite a lot of filler for quite a competitive price.